Arts Day or Art Fest, it is not just a cultural program. It is more than that. If you have the mind of artistic sense, you can understand that everything in this world is an art. Even God's creation is an art. Any profession, any hobbies, any activities in this world is an art. The only thing is we need to have an artistic mind as well as an artistic eye to see the artistic sense of this world. I would like to say three things related to this artistic sense. Number one, art gives identity as well as perfection to a human being. Art gives identity as well as perfection to a human being. You may know about TQP. TQP means total quality people. If you want to be a total quality person, then you must be artistic. Otherwise, you cannot show yourself as a quality person. You can take any artistic persons like Michelangelo or any other person. They were known to the world by their artistic sense. And art is a triad that brings perfection to a personality. And the second thing I want to say is art polishes the rough edges in our characters. Art polishes the rough edges in our characters. Poets, writers, dramatists, playwrights, painters, sculptors, any artist, when they think that their profession is an art, their rough edges are being polished. So they can handle any kind of situation. That was the personality they achieved when they became artistic. And the third one I want to say is art creates difference. It was told that an artist may not do different things, but they do things differently. An artist may not do different things, but they do things differently. The perception is different. They look things differently. They look the world differently. So they do differently. So I want to say one example, that is regarding the story of Mickey Mouse. I don't know how many of you know about the story of Mickey Mouse. There was one artist, and actually he was a cartoonist. His name was Walt Disney. Many times he drew many cartoons, but most of the times his cartoons were rejected by the publishers and the dailies. So actually he was put down. Once he was called by a pastor. He told these walls to do some cartoons for his book, and one room was allocated for him. That room was full of mouse. When he was sitting and drawing his cartoon, a mouse was running here and there. He was enlightened. He was inspired by seeing the running mouse. That made him to create the Mickey Mouse. Because of that, he became a world famous personality. He looked the running of the mouse as an artistic view. So he was able to become great. So I advise you students and staff, be artistic, and I wish you enjoy the day as possible. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to call upon Mr. Vidyadharan, CEO, Maria Ayurveda of Medical College, to felicitate the program.
Good morning to everyone. Honorable Chairman Sir, Vice Chairperson Ma'am, other dignitaries on the stage, teaching faculties, students and others. Today is a great day because we are going to perform in the stage of various colorful activities. Dear students, I am very proud of you. You are the part of this institution. Our institution is the best of the best institution in this state and nearby state. Our institution is having all kind of infrastructure facilities and laboratory facilities and etc. and etc. You are having wider scope in future. Our Siddha principal already told in front of you, in the foreign countries also having opportunities for you. Our Honorable Chairman Sir has already have tie up with other countries, including not only the Singapore and other countries, nearby countries, even the Ireland and some other European countries also having wider scope for you. So success depends on process. My humble request is you have to work hard for the finishing of your course. If you have no effort, you will not succeed. You will not succeed. So today, this is my words. Please work hard to complete your course with great respect. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. It's time for our cultural events.